How to fix Deepseek app not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Deepseek application not working. If you are facing issues with Deepseek application, then here are several steps you can try to resolve the issue. First of all, ensure that you are connected to the stable internet connection, or you may also try switching between Wi-Fi or data network to check if that solves your problem. If Wi-Fi isn't the issue, then you will need to check whether your application is up to date or not. To check that, you will need to first open your Google Play Store on your device, and here make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right, and then in the search bar at the top, there you will need to type in Deepseek. Now search for it. Within a while, you will get the search results below. Here find the authentic Deepseek application and then tap on the app icon. Now inside it, here if you find the update button, go ahead and tap on this update button and wait until the app gets up to date. After updating the application, now you'll be able to fix Deepseek application not working issue. If in case you didn't find the update button here, that means your application has already been up to date. If that's the case, you may need to clear the cache. For that, scroll down from the top of your screen and then tap on the settings icon at the top right. Now in the settings page, here scroll to find the application option, and once you find it, tap on it to open it. Inside it, now you'll need to find Deepseek application. Once you find the Deepseek application, simply tap on it to open it, and then again in this page, scroll to find the storage option. Once you find it, tap on the storage option, and finally here you'll be able to locate clear cache option at the bottom right. Simply tap on it and then your cache will be cleared. If you'd like to clear the data, you'll need to tap on this clear data option at the bottom left, but make sure once you do that, you will need to re-log into your account. Now after doing this, go and open your Deepseek application on your mobile device to check if that solves your problem. If you are still facing the issues, then you can simply restart your device. Sometimes, restarting your mobile device can clear temporary glitches. Press and hold the power button of your mobile device and select the restart button. And after restarting your mobile device, again open your Deepseek application on your mobile device and check if that solves your problem. If the issue still persists, then you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the application. For that, again, you will need to open the Play Store of your device, repeat the same process to find the Deepseek application on the Play Store, and once you get it, inside it, you will locate Uninstall button. Simply tap on this Uninstall button and then confirm it by tapping on Uninstall once again. After that, your app will get installed. Now after installing, you'll be able to see the install button in this page. Simply tap on the install button to reinstall the application. Now wait until the app gets installed. Once after installing the application, now you will need to use your login credentials in order to log into your account. So by following one of these steps, you should be able to fix Deepseek app not working issue. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.